Welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back to welcome back to this video. Yo guys, like when I watch Kanyimbao's video, ne? Yo. I feel like crying. Just on her behalf, because wow, guys, like wow. Yo, did you see this Kanyimbao video? Because it's trending anyways, you guys. It is trending, and Kanyimbao did a surgery, her face, whatever it is, you guys. I do not know what she's changing, because for me, she looks so beautiful already. Good, what she's changing, angas perfect, but wow. the video can traumatize her. Yo. I'm not saying she mustn't do what she wants to do when she wants to do it, because she's got money to do it and she wants to change whatever she's changing when it comes to her face. But wow, for me, you know, young traumatizer video. And when I look at her ears here coming to her eyes, and then pass on my eyebrows working, is it those stitches? Is it still? I feel like crying on her behalf. Like I'm like, Imagine if that whole thing goes wrong. I'm not saying it must, I'm just saying. It's just that I'm saying traumatize online. I've seen all those surgeries going wrong, right? And when it comes to those American people, those videos in the way that they were doing surgery, it went wrong. So I'm just scared on her behalf for now. I'm just scared. I really hope and pray everything goes well, because yeah, often change her to whatever she wants to be. Just wanna cry a little bit. Just it's like guys, like no. Udombile. So what exactly was she changing because she was so beautiful already. When I like knowing Kanyimba, we hate it, okay, we are bleacher and all that, you know. I'm now seeing all those pictures of hers as like that. It's also Kanyimba bleaching against the next, whatever, you guys. But now I'm bleaching and surgeries and you know, Kanye girl, are you okay? Yo. Like, I'm feeling a pain, you know, like I'm feeling a pain on her behalf. I'm like, guys, I'm feeling a pain on her behalf. When I look at her eyes, the way you guys know, I'm so scared. I can see a lot of people who are talking about her and wondering about, you know, she doesn't like herself, akazithandi, and why nemali le mali esihlangise. But it's just that imali mayikhona nayo ngathi yaluma ne. Honestly, angimthethisi, you guys, angimsukela. I'm just saying it, imali, when we have money, it's like we do not know what to do with our money. Like, yeah, one day when I have money, ne, apart from changing anything from my body. And this man ngafaka amazipho, makeup, or maybe ngifake izinyo le gold, something like that, but not change anything. Angifuni nje kusasa mfuna ngithi ana change my ear, ngifuna indlebe yami kanje ngoba indlebe yami kanje, or umlomo, ama lips, amabele. I've seen people doing their boobs. Like I'm like, I don't want to go there, never. I'm not judge. I'm just saying, when I watch this video, but what was wrong with her face, her original face? Why not girl, mangabe you want to be light at least. Right now I'm scared, man. I really like her, you know. I really like her. I'm just scared. That video is scary, man. It is, right? Don't traumatize the video. But anyways, you guys, we'll talk later when it comes to Kanyimbao. I just wanted to post this video. Guys, how do you feel? Like my body is not okay. Like I'm not okay. Honestly speaking, I'm correct. When I watch this video, I just feel like crying. I'm cramps. I feel like everything on my body. But anyways, yeah. Let girl be a girl and continue looking beautiful as I'm looking kusamayo ngemali yakhe mtakabao thina besingobani. But wow. Wow.